Welcome back to Elite Motion Car Trends, where power meets perfection and style defines speed. Today, we dive into the modern modified 2025 Toyota Mark X 300G in a stunning deep blue finish, a machine that perfectly balances elegance and aggression. The Mark X 300G has evolved into a masterpiece of Japanese engineering, blending luxury comfort with performance upgrades that ignite pure excitement. Starting from the exterior, the redesigned aerodynamic body kit gives the Mark X a lower, wider stance with carbon fiber front splitters, side skirts, and a rear diffuser enhancing stability at high speeds. The sleek LED matrix headlights and smoked tail lamps complement the satin blue paint that glows under any light. The custom 19-inch forged alloy wheels and Brembo brakes ensure both beauty and control on the road. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter V6 engine has been fine-tuned with an upgraded twin intake system, titanium exhaust, and ECU remap pushing output to over 340 horsepower. The new adaptive suspension system allows a smoother yet sportier drive, making every corner sharp and responsive. Inside, luxury meets technology with Alcantara seats, a digital cockpit, and a 12-inch infotainment display featuring wireless connectivity and voice control. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber trim, and a premium JBL sound system elevate the driving experience to first-class standards. Every inch of the 2025 Mark X 300G screams precision, a true driver's car built to impress both the eye and the heart. From its dynamic performance to its refined comfort, it's the perfect evolution of Toyota's legendary legacy. Thanks for watching Elite Motion Car Trends, where every car tells a story of passion, power, and perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible automotive transformations.